IDF also eliminated another terror operative named Ahmed Siam, who held 1,000 Gazans and patients hostage. An Air Force fighter jet directed by forces from the Kiwati Brigade combat team and guided by the intelligence of the Aman and Shinbet eliminated the terrorist Siam, the commander of the Nasser-Radwan regional company in the terrorist organization Hamas, who was holding about 1,000 residents of Gaza Strip, believe it or not, as hostages in the hospital Rantisi, and prevented them from evacuating to the south of the Gaza Strip. Meanwhile, Israel also released an animation showing the extent of Hamas missile misfiring. The visual on your screens, in fact, shows the number of misfired rockets which landed in Gaza territory. About 1,000 misfirings have been reported as per the IDF. These are claims that have been made by the IDF. On the other hand, more proof of Hamas's evil terror design is also surfaced. IDF has released a video of its soldiers capturing a Hamas stronghold, and this stronghold was a kindergarten, viewers, a place where tiny tots, small babies, are taught and nurtured. Hamas stored its weapon, and here's a quick detail and an insight into what's going on.
שני פסקים שתחמו את זה כמו שאמרנו.
תראה להם.
בו שאפשר להרים את זה. מה שנקרא 105 יסין, מטען יסין 105. ואלה שתי לבנות החבלה. שני פסקים שתחמו את זה כמו שאמרנו.
תראה להם.
בו שאפשר להרים את זה. מה שנקרא 105 יסין, מטען יסין 105. ואלה שתי לבנות החבלה. שני פסקים שתחמו את זה כמו שאמרנו.
תראה להם.
בו שאפשר להרים את זה. מה שנקרא 105 יסין, מטען יסין 105. ואלה שתי לבנות החבלה.